welcome, man. It's Exotic Wealth here. Okay, I'm about to just give y'all some crazy value on this video, okay? So let's go and dive into it. And yeah, like you've seen, I post every 2 days, okay? Every 2 days. As you see, 1 day ago, 3 days ago, I post every single 2 days, okay? So yeah, I hope you like the content, and yeah, you're definitely gonna like this because you're gonna learn how to make $1 million in CPA marketing, okay? So 17 easy ways to collect email addresses. This is actually for a subscriber from last video. He had commented and asked me how to get free leads. So I'm gonna give him some expert tips, and here you go. And the best way to learn is not through courses, okay? You can just easily research. You just got to be looking for the right thing. You got to be specific with Google search. And so, yeah, you can find the answers. So that's what I'm going to show you right now. And also in the middle of the video, that's when I'm going to get into the whole $1 million CPA strategy and method that's happening as we speak. Yeah, and shows you how companies are ripping you off. I'm talking CPA Grip, AdWords Media, Max Bounty, all of them, okay? So let's go. Make sure there's something in it for them and never, ever spam, okay? Number 2, offer useful resources. Number 3, use Facebook ads, and make sure when you go through these blogs, actually read the detail. Actually read these details and pretty much the meaning of what these mean. And so, yeah, so that you can get a better idea. Offer free tutorial videos. Number 5, promote your newsletter. Sign up throughout your website. Number 6, get personal. Number 7, use pop-ups to promote special offers. So pop-up, that's a value. Hey, these are expert tips. So I hope y'all getting this. Host contests. Number 9, make it really easy. Number 10, offer free resources that are relevant to your target customer. Okay. Number 11, when all else fails, be proactive and track it down. Number 12, get your content. Number 13, ask for it. Number 14, employ social chat platforms to I think that means install, but a sense of urgency. Okay. Number 15, use motion to catch website visitors' attention. Number 16, offer a content upgrade. Number 17, make your users smarter. Okay. So here we go. 12 easy ways to build your free email list right now. So it goes on to tell you that. Number 1, add a CTA to your bio. This is why I recommend you actually go to blogs. All you really need is blogs and forums and stuff like that to actually learn about whatever you want to learn about, even making money online. So you see through this blog, it's giving you brief detail, like visual detail on how to do it. So it's pretty much telling you, here we go. I'm going to tell you another tip. Add a CTA to your bio. Number 2, pin a tweet with a CTA. Here we go. Next one, number 3, create a CTA post on Instagram. Set a CTA on your Facebook page. Create a subscribers only Facebook group. Pin your CTA to Pinterest. So I don't know if you just caught that, but it's pretty much telling you to put all of your business on all of social media. You see where it says Pinterest. Here we go. Facebook is telling you to go on Facebook. It's telling you Instagram. It's telling you Twitter, all the above. So it's like, for example, if you were doing real estate Airbnb, this is another secret for that. I'm not even really talking about that, but another secret for that is you don't only post the house that you host. If you're the host, you don't only post on Airbnb. If you want multiple bookings and stuff like that, if you really want to make a lot of money, you put it on multiple sites. So that's what it's pretty much telling you. These are expert tips, and I say you can get these off of Google. I mean, that's what I did, and there you go. So I recommend going through blogs and forums because that's where you're going to get the most reality answers, the most real answers in just a nick of time. See, I'm just going through this, scrolling down. I'm already learning this. So I'm just been an example for you. So you can already just learn this and dive into this and already know, okay, or have an idea of how to do this. And so, yeah, you just go from there. So like I said, with Airbnb, if you were to have a hosting house, you wouldn't just post it on Airbnb itself. You would post it on other websites similar to Airbnb so that you can have more bookings. That's how you get the most traffic to your site. So it's pretty much saying post all about your business on multiple social medias. That's what it's trying to tell you. So number 8, create original content. Number 9, offer lead magnets and content upgrades. Okay. And number 10, upsell upcoming products. Number 11, optimize your About Us page. And bonus tips, it says do more with your pop-ups and exit intent offers. Okay, so let next one before we get into how to make that million. Okay, this website right here is pretty much hooking you up with the best leads possible. Start with free leads. It's helping you with your prospects or potential prospects and potential customers. So it's helping you to not waste time chasing the wrong prospect, as you see right here. So yeah, come and check out this website. It's pretty good, and do your due diligence on it. But yeah, like I was saying, here we go. This is where you know that this is how you know that you're getting ripped off. Okay, you see this offer right here, $1.73. Okay, keep that in mind, $1.73. We have this offer right now, right? When you had this offer, you usually, the visitor go through it or whatever. But today, we're not going to go through it. Well, we are, but not just yet. Let me show you this. Program requirements, right? I went to program requirements, and what you're going to see is actually the back end of what's really going on. So you see tier 1 rewards with the value of $100 or less must complete 4 deals. Do you know what that means? That means they're getting paid hundreds and thousands of dollars while you just get paid $1.73 for each lead. Okay. And tier 2 rewards with the value greater than $100 must complete 10 deals. So let's see what they're talking about. Let's see exactly what they're talking about. So I just put in random information. It's just some random information. So yeah, we just gonna see how everything goes. So it's gonna take us to the next portion of this offer specifically, and yeah, we just gonna see. I'm gonna show you a little bit something, because this is where the real money making is, and I'm gonna show you the back end of it, because a lot of people don't dive into this. A lot of people just try and run traffic to it without knowing what's up. It's all about the back end. That's where the real money is made, and not by you, the affiliate, but by the network, which is CPA Grip, Max Bounty, AdWork Media, CPA Build, all the above. The network is making millions. This is how you can do it as well. So just like you know about these CPA networks, your CPA network could be on there, man. So what I'm saying, okay, so for example, they trying to size you up. They trying to size up the visitor to see, okay, what do they like or whatever, because they're going to go through it. And yeah, and you're like, they still have it, reward $100 Walmart gift card, right? So you just choose random. I'm just choosing random, as you see. Okay, I accidentally pressed something else. Okay, so here we go, random, boom, boom, boom. Maybe. And so what you're going to see is actually how they really make money, how much more they're making money off of you, because off that $1.73, they're actually making hundreds and thousands of dollars off this one lead, while they just giving you that $1.73 until your next lead come and you get another $100.73. So this is the back end secret right here. So here we go. Press confirm on that. Boom, boom, boom. And here you go. Affiliate link right here in front of us. So yeah, it's going to show you an affiliate link. And so what it's going to do, it's going to show you an affiliate link to the actual process of different companies and stuff like that. And so here you go. Lending Tree, right? So what this is right here, this is an affiliate link to Lending Tree. Why is Lending Tree on here? Because this is an affiliate. As you see the ID, affiliate ID, it shows it right here in the domain. It shows it right here in the domain tab. So that's how you know it's an affiliate link. Man, they are banking off of affiliates, because affiliates are bringing quality traffic. That's why they want quality traffic, for you to bring them to their affiliate links so that they can make even more money. Okay, in the back end, this is what it's all about. They don't care about anything else. This is the gold mine of what it's all about. So I bet you're wondering, okay, how exactly can I do this? Look, this is where they are banking. These are all affiliate links right here. This is where the companies are banking the most. Claim your deal, claim all of this. This is where they're banking from your quality traffic. So just so you know, here we go. Hulu affiliate link. Here we go. Get Disney, 100% child safe. It's all affiliate links. Okay. So here we go. I bet you're wondering, how can I start my own CPA network? Well, then here you go. Black Hat Pro Tools. It's this one source called Hot Script 2016, but it's still available. So yeah, CPA network script. And so what they do is actually create your own CPA network for you. And what this funnel is showing is that how they're ripping you off pretty much, because you're getting paid, like I said, $1.73. You could be getting paid hundreds and thousands a day with this as well. You could bring your own quality traffic to your own CPA network. Now, I don't know if you ever seen Team D'Angelo, but he has his own CPA network right now. And that's what I'm saying. Like, seriously, you can bank the most off of this. Look at this, man. It's pretty dope. But yeah, come here and get your own CPA network, because instead of bringing quality traffic to CPA Grip, AdWord Media Offers, you can be doing it to your own network and yeah, have affiliates working for you pretty much. So yeah, it's all about being the middleman. You just got to think like the middleman. So yeah, let me go and get back into the free email leads. So here we go. How to plan awesome content that grows your email list. Okay. So here we go. Number 1, tell your own story. Number 2, remix validated content. Number 3, it said convert your blog traffic. And number 4, it said, well, that's not even number 4, create content upgrades. And so here we go. Use Twitter lead gen cards. Number 4, go viral with giveaways. And it gives you visual example so that you know how to do it, because it's giving you visual examples. So yeah, and how you would go about it. It says download our free ebook. That's what you would do. And you would have a similar email newsletter like this, like sign me up, boom, because it's giving value. You want to have value within your sign up, your leads. You want to have value and actually grow value. So here we go. How to grow your email list with Pinterest is giving you step by step and is giving you visual examples. You notice with all of these blogs, this is what makes a blog even better and convert even better, because it's giving you visuals. You always want a visual. The visitor always wants a visual. So here you go. Number 1, add relevant keywords in your opt-in to your Pinterest profile. It's giving you a visual. Number 2, share your opt-in applicable Pinterest boards. Yeah, boards. Here we go. Use text overlay and pin designs to highlight your opt-in. And I want you to actually go through these blogs so that you can get a very better idea of what to do, because it's giving you details and it's giving you visual details as well, not only words. So number 4, link your pin to your opt-in landing page. And yeah, does it have a number 5? No, that was it. It did. There we go. So yeah, and last but not least, this is not last, but yeah, it's nearly last. So 7 ways to provide more value for your leads and less time for you. Okay. So it's put together an ebook they can download. Number 2, offer a white paper when someone signs up. Produce meaningful blog content. Number 4, create an email series. Consider doing podcasts or videos. Offer a free call or demo. Hold a webinar. And yeah, see, these blogs, it tells you straight up. It gives you the answer straight off the bat. So that's why I highly recommend checking blogs, man, because that's where your answers are really at in a less amount of time. See, I just found it that quick. Like 5 steps to skyrocket the value of your leads. Here we go. 5 step. Number 1, improve your targeting. Number 2, increase your prices. Number 3, improve your customer lifetime value. Number 4, improve your lead nurturing sequence. Number 5, last but not least, improve your sales conversion. I want y'all to actually go through these blogs and actually check these out and look at the title. So just go search up the title on Google and you will find this blog. So yeah, I hope you like this video. I tried to put as much value as possible in this video, but there is more value to come. Okay. If y'all want me to talk about any other niche, just let me know and I can show you a little bit of something. But yeah, I hope you like this video, man. Subscribe and yeah, have a good one, man. Peace.